Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum and a very hearty welcome to our channel Firdausia Vlogs. Thanks for clicking on to this video and do watch it out till the end. You're watching the 9th video in our series only on Firdausia Vlogs. Welcome back again. So today I'm going to show you all the recipe of watermelon shake without any use of blender or mixer. Often if you are to prepare a drink for iftar, then you have to blend it up. But if you have watermelons right in your home, then you can make these wonderful watermelon shakes without the use of blender. So let's start with the recipe. Firstly, I've taken a bowl of watermelon chopped into small pieces. Now transfer this into a large mixing bowl. Now we'll be mashing this up into fine pieces. Also, I haven't cleared the seeds of the watermelon. You may clear them if you want so. So I've finished mashing this up. You should get the juice of the watermelon and some chunks of watermelon too. Now it's time to add in sugar. I've added 3 spoons of sugar, but you may go more or less depending on the sweetness of your watermelon. Mix this up. Now we'll be adding in milk into this. Here I've added 1.5 cup of milk. Give it a nice mix and your watermelon shakes are ready to be served. So that's it, we are done with this easy to make and yummy recipe of watermelon shakes. If you have watermelons right in your home, then do try this recipe, you will really like it. Also, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell button to receive our notifications. I hope you like this recipe and the video too. So this is Manha signing off. I'll be back soon with yet another video. Till then, goodbye.